Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to customize Google Sheets budget templates. The first thing you want to do is make sure your internet connection is turned on. Then head over to this corner that says Google Apps. Click on that, scroll down and select Sheets. So at the top of the screen here, you see that there's a monthly budget template. Click on that. Now what we're going to do here is customize this to match our monthly expenses, income and savings. So first, you want to rename this to monthly budget sample to copy. And this is because this is a template you're going to use every month. So you're going to make a copy of it each new month. So first thing you want to do is change the values to 0. Scroll down and change this to 0 as well. Next, head over to transactions. Click on this row, row 5, right click and select clear row. So on this sheet with your expenses and income, you'll notice there are only 33 rows, and this can be a problem if you need more than this. So before we start anything, we're going to click on the add here to add 1,000 more rows at the bottom. And then we're going to head back over to summary and do the same thing if we need to. So here I'm also going to click add to add 1,000 more rows, and it's going to show you a warning. Just click OK. And now you notice that the following rows are blank. So to apply the same format into them, click on the last row, hold and drag to select the 3 other rows, then hold this blue corner and select as many rows as you like. But make sure to note what row you stop on. Once again, it's showing this. Click OK. And it will create new rows with the same formatting. So note down the row you stopped on. I stopped on row 51 and head back over to transactions. And in this place under the expenses, the categories, you notice that the new rows aren't showing here. To change that, click on this that says edit. So right here, you see the row that it stops on row 44. To change that, enter the row you stopped on. In my case, it's 51, and click done. Select just this instance. And if you scroll down, you see your new rows have been added. So the next thing we're going to do to make things easier later on is head over to this corner and select add a new sheet. Double click on the sheet and we're going to name this fixed costs. Now this sheet is going to be for your expenses that don't change so much from month to month. So on this first row in column A, I'm going to name this expenses, and in column B, your projected spending. Now I'm just going to select B over here to make it bold. Same with expenses. And here you're going to enter things like your phone bill, house rent, and subscriptions. Then at the bottom, I'm going to add the total. And I'm actually going to make this bold. So once you've entered all your expenses, you want to get the sum of those. So in the projected column, select all the values, click on more over here, select functions, then sum, and hit enter. And here you see the total of all the values. So now you want to note down the total here, then head back over to summary, and in any of these categories, anyone you're not using, enter fixed costs, and then the total you noted over there. So now you can customize your expenses and income categories. However, make sure you don't change anything in the planned column yet. Remember, this is a template you're going to copy each month, so you do not want to enter anything in there yet. Once you've customized your expenses and income categories without touching the planned columns, you want to make a copy for whatever month it is you're in. I'm going to name this 2024 November budget. Then select make a copy. You can also choose to share it with others, but I don't want to do that. I need to open a new tab. And here you see the copy of your original template. Now, if you want to make any changes to any of the expenses or income categories, I recommend going back to the monthly budget sample to make the changes from here. So whenever you make a copy for a new month, the changes will show up there as well. So now you can head back to your budget copy for the month and change the values under the planned column. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill out the values in the planned column. I'm also going to fill out my paycheck, bonus, and interest. Once you've done that, you want to track your expenses throughout the month. Head over to transactions. The first thing I'm going to enter here is my fixed costs. So first I'll enter the dates, the amounts, category, fixed costs, and if necessary, the description. And anything you enter in the amounts column, if you head back over to summary, in the actual column over here, you'll see that it has been updated. In the third column, which is the difference column, you can see the difference between your planned budgets and what you actually spend. And here you can see that I'm right on budget. Before making any transactions, you can come over here and check to see how much money you have left to spend. If you manage your budget with anyone else, you can easily share the copy of the file by heading over to this corner that says file, selecting share, enter the email address of whoever you'd like to send it to, then change the general access from restricted to anyone with a link, and change this from viewer to editor so that they can make changes to the template as well. Click on done. And that's it. That's how to customize and use Google Sheets budget templates. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.